If you see a .rs file, it's likely a resource file for a Valve game server. It tells the game which sounds and maps to download. It's just text. You can read it with Notepad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's take a look. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a RES file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. If we look at the internal properties, the RES is flagged as a dedicated data file. The preservation method chosen is the Valve resource file standard. The RES file is a highly proprietary resource file used by the Half-Life game engine, GoldSrc. It functions as a manifest containing a complete list of custom files, maps, models, sounds, required for a multiplayer game server or modification to run correctly. Developed by Valve, the format is plain text and designed for the GoldSrc engine. Its design rules are purely declarative. The file must follow a specific syntax listing all asset file paths. If the RES file is outdated or incomplete, players joining the server will experience errors due to missing custom content. There's a proprietary link between the RES format and Half-Life by Valve. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows can detect the file, but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your RES file, then click Open With. Test Half-Life if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If your RES file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The error is a consequence of the RES format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, identify the creator. Determine which program uses the file, as it can be a Windows resource file, a game resource file, or a Reactor ensemble file. Next, open with text editor. Try opening the file in a text editor to look for recognizable text headers, like XML or a script, to determine the associated software. Finally, use specific software. If a Reactor ensemble, use Native Instruments Reactor. If a compiled Windows resource, the file is usually opened automatically by the OS. When earlier attempts confirm the RES file is beyond standard tools, the next step is to use a specialized solution built for complex formats. It's worth a shot. The best way forward is the one-click RES fix. That means FileMagick, your new go-to universal viewer. Download from FileMagick.com. The quick fix wins every time. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.